All right, thanks for clicking that link. I am back for video number 2 of the farm mountain bike build project, backyard trail mountain bike build project video series thing that I just started here. So I'm really excited about this. And today's video, I've got behind me the tools that I've got out that I'm planning on using. So I'm going to go over these tools and let me know in the comments below if you think these are the right tools for the job, if there's something I'm missing, something I'm going to need that I don't know, if something's maybe too much, overkill. Let me know what you think. In the meantime, thanks for watching. All right, so the first thing I think is probably going to be the most important thing for all of this is a good pair of work gloves. Like, you got to have a good pair of work gloves. So you're going to want a good pair of work gloves. I mean, here on the farm, that goes without saying. Luckily, since I am here on the farm, there's quite a bit of farm tools I've got set out here that I've been able to put together that I think is really going to make this trail building pretty straightforward for me. Number one are my saws. I've got the good old-fashioned Stihl chainsaw here. I got a second saw in the shop there for a backup. And then this cool new hand saw from Stihl. I'll get some close-up shots of this stuff later. And this thing is really cool. Little electric saw, super rad. It's gonna be super awesome. And then for my weed eater setup, I've got, well, this is no weed eater. This is pretty much a saw blade on a pole. And this thing is going to be phenomenal for just really a lot of that brush work and stuff like that. So this is going to be great for that. I also have here an electric pole saw. So there may be things up out of my reach that I need a little more reach on. I've got my portable power that I can plug this into with an extension cord and pretty much run this pole saw anywhere on the farm with my portable power. So that's really cool. Of course, you got to have the handy dandy thermoset bucket resting spot because you never know when you might need to take a little break or a breather. The strap for all said tools. Also, too, I feel like a leaf blower this time of year. If you saw the first video, I was crunching through a lot of leaves down there. So this leaf blower is going to be nice for just kind of cleaning up the trail, cleaning up my work areas as I'm there. I don't know for sure that I'll be bringing this cart down there because I feel like a lot of the dirt work has already been done by Mother Nature there. But I will have this cart if I need it. It's a very cool cart. It's actually, you can dump it. It's like a dump cart. Of course, I'm going to need some solid trimmer shears. Gonna need these bad boys and some good shovels. Gonna need some good shovels. Now, one of the things I love about Mom shovels here on the farm is they have all been sharpened on the sharpening stone. This is a really cool shovel. This is gonna be really cool spade for trail working. And then of course my short little digger here. I'll probably add a pickaxe to the group too. We shall see. Hopefully I don't have to do much pickaxing. Lastly, the most essential trail tool, the hoe. So thanks for watching. So stay tuned. I'll be posting more updates as I dig into this thing. Thanks for watching.